Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove or replace camera shortcut on lock screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. This is camera shortcut over lock screen. Okay, see here, my screen is locked, and from the lock screen itself, I can open camera. Yes, by swiping up this icon, camera icon from the lock screen, I can open camera. Okay, suppose if you would like to remove this camera icon from the lock screen or replace this camera icon with other one, yes, you can do it. What you go to do is go to the settings of your phone here. Go to settings, then go to lock screen and wallpaper, and here go to lock screen settings, and here click on right shortcut. In right shortcut, camera is set. Okay, if you would like to remove this, then click on another one here. Okay, here I have used wallet. Okay, in the left shortcut, camera is now selected. In the device control, then here I go choose phone. Okay, see here, I have replaced removed and replaced camera from right shortcut. Okay, now lock your screen and see here, there is no camera shortcut. Okay, only phone icon is available. Okay, this dialer is available, so it cannot be directly opened. If you swipe up, it will ask your pattern to unlock, then only it will open. Okay, see here. So in this way, you can easily remove and replace camera shortcut from the lock screen of your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.